Hi, I'm Maggie Love, the founder of SheFi, and today I'm showing you how to set up your Trezor wallet. I'm setting up the Trezor Safe 7. SheFi partnered with Trezor because we believe that every woman should have full ownership over her crypto. If your crypto is on an exchange, you're renting it. You need their permission to move it. A hardware wallet changes that. Your private key is stored on the device offline, not connected to anything. No one else can access your crypto but you. To get started, you're going to need your Trezor hardware wallet, the USB-C cable that came with it, and Trezor Suite downloaded on your phone or your desktop. If you're downloading it on your desktop, be sure you download it from trezor.io. If you have all three, let's get started. First, you'll need to have Trezor Suite downloaded onto your desktop. Then you'll need to connect and unlock your Trezor. Okay, so I'm going to take my Trezor and plug it in to my computer. Then select the Connect button on Trezor Suite. You can connect via Bluetooth or by plugging in your USB-C cable. I'm going to try Bluetooth. I'm going to allow Trezor Suite to use Bluetooth. Then I'm going to hold down the power button like it's showing me. On my screen it says tap to begin setup, so I'm going to tap. It's going to pop up on my desktop and I'm going to select Connect. I'm going to make sure this pairing code matches the one on my Trezor. Then I'm going to select Connect. My Trezor is now paired. Now it's asking me to do a device security check. It was bought from the official Trezor shop, the hologram was intact and untampered with, and the device package was intact and untampered with. Looks good to me, so I'm going to select Set up my Trezor. For security reasons, the Trezor does not come with firmware, so you'll need to install it. I'm going to install the firmware by selecting Install Firmware. Now that the firmware is downloaded, I can move forward. Now I'm going to create a secure connection by selecting the Continue button. This will connect the suite to my wallet. On my Trezor, it's asking Allow Trezor Suite on Maggie's MacBook Air to pair with this Trezor. I'm going to select Confirm on the device. Now I'm going to enter a one-time security code. Let's check the device. I'm going to select Start. Now I'm confirming on my Trezor that I want to do the security check. I'm going to select Allow. Now I'm going to select Continue. Now I'm going to do a short tutorial so I can learn how my Trezor works. I'm going to do it on my Trezor device itself, so I'm going to select Continue. Use the power button. Continue. The menu are these two bars at the top. And now I'm holding to exit the tutorial. That short tutorial gives me everything I need to do to use my Trezor wallet. Now, this is the most important step. I'm going to create a new wallet using my Trezor. So I'm going to select the Create New Wallet button. Then I'm going to select Create Wallet. My wallet is created. I'm going to select Continue on my Trezor wallet. This is the most important piece. You must back up your wallet by writing down the secret phrase or seed phrase in order. If you lose this backup phrase, you'll not be able to recover your wallet. I'm going to select Continue to Wallet Backup. I understand that I can use my wallet backup to recover my assets. I'll never take a picture of my wallet backup. I'll store my wallet backup securely and never share it with anyone. Create Wallet Backup. On my Trezor device itself, it's going to show me 20 words in a specific order. I'm going to write these down on the papers that was given to me in my Trezor box. This is where I'm going to write down the 20 words that create my wallet recovery. Now the words are popping up one by one on my device. I'm not going to show you them because that's not best practice, but I'm going to write down the words on this paper and I'll be back when I'm done. When I'm done writing down all the words, it's going to ask me, I wrote down all 20 words in order, and I'm going to hold the screen to confirm. Let's do a quick check of your backup. Continue. It's asking me about what placement certain words are. So it's asking me, what's word number 3? And so I'm going to my paper, and I'm going to pick the word. It's asking me about another word. Now it's tested that I actually wrote down these words, and now my wallet backup is complete. I'm going to select Continue. Next, I have to set a PIN. So I'm going to select Continue to PIN. I'm going to confirm on my Trezor. I'm going to create the pin on my Trezor. My pin setup is complete, and I'm going to click close on my Trezor device. Now I can activate coins. These are coins I know I'm going to want to store in my Trezor. When I'm done activating coins, I'm going to click complete setup. I have to enter my pin. My wallet's ready, and I can move my tokens from an exchange or from another wallet to my Trezor hardware wallet. Never share your backup with anyone and store it somewhere safe. In the next demo, I'll go over how to fund your Trezor wallet. For more demos on Trezor and crypto, be sure to follow us at SheFi.org.